Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And here are some pictures I took back in 1993 when AGAC invited us all down to the factory for a catfish fry to spend the night, look at what they did, and then we flew on to St. Augustine, and then after that we went on to the Bahamas. So here I was, a brand new airplane owner, only owned a Traveler for 2 years, and if I knew what I do now, I'd have taken a lot more pictures that day. So please enjoy these pictures. Some of them are classic shots. Fred Costa's in one, as well as others you may recognize. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman.